Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I hate this so much, but now I need a sharper knife. This is too big, but oh my god, this is the worst thing ever. Oh, it done it. Jesus! So guys, I don't know if you see that little while, like my phone literally dropped into the water. You see? Let me know if you can't hear me. Unfortunately, nothing to the phone. I'm so shook. Like, I'm so shook. When I tell you, say my phone dropping in the water with the fish them little while. I was like, I am done, but it's working. Like, me just go wipe off and me just go dry it off. iPhone where? Do I scale these first or me do gutter scale first? I don't remember. I usually do this, you know. What me usually do first? Gut first, because the gut are the most disgusting part. I do. Huh? Oh, it stinks. Okay, I can do this. Ouch. Oh mighty God. So guys, this is the first. Oh no. But like I said, this is the first time I got fish, freshwater fish. But I like that. I have one tank of me and a freshwater, so I don't know what she was trying to see. And something what I always forgot to do is take out the so let me take it out before I forget. Come we forgot. Oh, me I listen gospel. I don't know if me gonna get copyright, you know. Open you can't hear it. Should I turn it down though? Hold on, we can't do that right now because this the bone drop me on, the bone drop me on. This is like the hardest part. I mean, I know if I because the knife dull. Wash fish a scale. Poor fish. Oh my gosh. I can't do it this way because it will splash by me. Ah! Ooh, that one the up, man. We're tugs. We don't cry. This one, you can't tell me say no waterproof that get a swim. Let me tell you that. Okay, so this is the after. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Why is that so funny, bro? Oh my god. y'all want a case from Fishy. Alright, so this, oh my god, why you still have things leaking out, man? I don't like that. Okay, so this is the before. This is how it look when in a scale, all fat, and this is how it look when it's scaled. That's the before and that's the after. Oh, I'm going for that man who killed me, man. I'm gonna haunt him in his dreams. Guys, I'm done with all them fish when me come back because my head don't go so. So guys, I'm finally done scaling the fishes. Okay, they're looking pretty. So right now I have a line right here. I'm gonna cut. Okay, cut this quickly. Yes, sir. Let me just squeeze it to kill the smell. And for all who thinks that my fish don't scale good, just take a minute. Let's examine the fish. Like, look at it. Wait, that is clean. That is clean. Okay, that is clean. Clean. I'm gonna take out them there. So yeah, it's looking alright. It just let it stay there for a second. I'll be back. So guys, let's just take a minute. Okay, it's been a while since I've posted, right? And for some reason I just wanted to stop. Never want to post. Okay, I mean, we all have our moments, so we just feel like, so, oh, chill. But big up my sister, them always push me. And I tell them, say, girl, post. Or if you don't know what to post, just post something that I see and that I Jody. And Jody give me ideas as well what to do. So I can put myself, okay. Guys, me catch up my phone, right? So I know I can't see the entire thing because I need me to and them for work. So I have some seasoning right here. I have some black pepper, ooh. And I have some, you know, Maggi fish seasoning, and maybe have a little bit of this left. Jerk. So, you know, that's the vibe right now. So, may I open this thingy. You know, we're gonna sprinkle all over the fishes. All over the fishes. Cover them. Not too much, because you know, the other seasoning I go on it as well. And then I'm gonna use some of the, let us put this on it now. Jerk, just, you know, yeah. And then fish seasoning. Big up Maggi fish seasoning. Yup. So we ain't gonna put no salt because we don't want it to be salty. Okay, guys. And then now we have the black pepper. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle a little because we want the little, you know, pepper on it. Yes, sir. And there we are. So it's time now for me to, you know, hopefully we're gonna get steak because you know fish steer. Just rub it in and then flip it. Rub it in and flip it. Get it on. The tiny one they always attract me. Massage it. Massage it. Oh, massage it. Ooh, flip him. Try to get some on the inside as well. Rub it inside of them as well, you know. So guys, may I get some water into this. Somebody tell me why stove so weird. And then I'm gonna get some. Oh my god, I catch up my phone pan the salt buckle and no more, so I'll put in pot. So guys, after 100 years of trying to catch up the phone, it finally feels like say it want to catch up. So we have yam, which we're gonna peel right now. Okay. Peel yam first. I need the flour first. No. Need the flour first. Let's need the flour first, ne? Because okay. So yesterday, right? Yesterday, Jody cut the yam and it did lean. So this is a perfect. Well, me not say this perfect because this slice of yam doing perfect. But when it come on to lean and that would be me. Like what? Who does this? Who does that? But me just done peel me yam, so yay! And also my fine piece of pumpkin. Water is boiling. Time to put in the food. So I'm putting in the yams.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're Bobby doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
This is the part that I am most
Don't
scared
stop,
of.
turn it up. I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star, crystal glitter all over. Get in my car. Let's go to my favorite club. Rich like a queen. All my clothes are designer. Life is a dream. Don't wanna wake up from her. Strawberry cream. My lips taste just like sugar. Come head to me. You look like an amateur. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're Bobby doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough.
So guys, I have this pot. The pot make the fish them stick to the pot bottom. if I don't turn down, so I don't understand how. So I don't know if you can see, but literally stick me if I dig out the pot bottom just to take them out. So me say, alright, I'm gonna put on this small pot right here. I don't, you can see this small pot right here. I'm gonna put in the fish now, and the fish come out perfectly fine. And then when they're in the pot also, right? So me decide say, me cut them here in half, so me can fry them in the small pot, so them don't give me problem like them one day. I am so pissed, but that I least right now. We're just gonna do what we have to do, you see me? So get a saucepan like that, cause that saucepan is definitely not let me down at all. I'm sorry for just throwing it like that, but I'm just dashing it because woo, them they go and fry, but them here now, how am I gonna take them out? And look at this fish, how it's perfectly fine. Oh my gosh, I don't like that.